Hello guys, this is Dominic here. Today I come to the factory named Cartoning. He's making the cartooning machine. You see this factory, there's a lot of machines in here. Some of them used for the LED light and some of them for the pharmaceutical field, test fields and something like that. You can see the details of the machine itself here, and a lot of machines ready to ship at the end of the factory. You can see that. And this one is for Poland, this one is for Australia, this one is Ireland. A lot of different countries for different factories. And I will show you some details for my camera. Okay. What? You see, this is doing the adjusting, and this haven't finished during the adjusting period. See that? Almost ready. You see this? This is the button of the machine. It's the most better one. Adjusting. And this is already finished and ready to ship. This one I will show you the details. I will run this machine and show you details later. You see that? And this ready to ship. You see? 2 capsule, 2 blister inside with the capsule and with the 1 butcher inside. You see? 2 of them. And you can see this here. Sorry. 1 butcher inside. Okay. They just need a cover on it.倒后面，这是插盒进去。你帮我拨一盒看。哦，这个，2版加说明书，那可以。